All right, guys, congratulations. We are on to our first post-test, so our first assessment for our senior year. So let's go to Google Classroom. So log in through Clever, get to Google Classroom, and click on the classwork section. Let's try this again. Classwork section here. And then we're going to go all the way down to the post-test. All right. This is not an assignment in Google Classroom. It's just a post. But you're going to go to Ramsey Classroom, and you're going to go to the post-test all the way down the bottom. Okay. So it can be tricky to find, guys, because look, if it's down here, you click this, and it's still way at the bottom. So you want to make sure you click on the post-test. And just a heads up, guys, this is 35 questions. Okay. If you don't like how you did after you're done with it, let me know, okay? If I can see that you guys spent time on it and were thoughtful, and I'll give you a retake. One thing I will not give a retake for is if you have blown through this and just click buttons and said blah, 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 okay, and then you hit the next thing and it says, okay, I got 17 out of 35. That's an F, and I want another chance. So make sure you take your time with this. Okay, listen, you can open up you can open up the Ramsey Classroom in a separate tab and go back and find answers if you can't find them. The one thing I will say is once you close this tab, it does not save. So you need to do it in one shot. So you will have the entire class today to do this, okay? And then this is your first test grade, okay? So take your time with it. Make sure you read all the questions. If you're not sure what a question is asking, or if you have any questions at all, again, as always, feel free to text me, hit me up on Zoom. I will be available for the entirety of the period. Okay? So good luck, and I'll see you on the other side.